Wire harness and cable assembly contract manufacturers, are you spending too much time quoting only to lose deals to competitors? Imagine cutting your quoting time by 50% and winning more contracts starting today. Introducing Quoteque by Cableteque, the quoting software built by wire harness manufacturers for wire harness manufacturers. Here's how it works. Import your customer's design files, even incomplete PDFs. Quoteque understands the design and makes intelligent recommendations. It searches dozens of distributors to find the components with the best price and availability. Plus, it syncs with your ERP to check what you already have in stock. It even makes recommendations for tooling and mating connectors. And with full quote workflow management, you'll track every step, from RFQ to quote submission, in one place. With Quoteque, you'll deliver faster, more accurate quotes, win more business, and have fewer sleepless nights. Join us in making wire harnesses great again. Request a demo today.